Welcome to day 29 of our Pilates journey, focusing on our upper body and shoulder strengths. Today, we are not just exercising, we are sculpting a strong, more confident you. Remember why you start this journey. Every rep builds the capable, powerful body you deserve. Let's dive in and transform together. First, let's begin with arm circles. Lie on your back, arms extend to the ceiling. Initiate small circles from your shoulder joint. Keep your ribcage arched, not popping up. Gradually increase the size of the circles. Feel the warmth spreading through your shoulders. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, engage abdominal. Circle outwards and all the way down to your hip. Now let's reverse the direction. Remember, your back should maintain contact with the mat throughout. Inhale, open to the side. Exhale, engage abdominal. Bring the palms toward the ceiling again, and then lower back down to the hip. Next, we will move to scapular isolation. Staying on your back, inhale, reaching the palms toward the ceiling, get into protraction. Exhale, slightly squeeze your shoulder blades together. Imagine your shoulder blades are elevator doors, sliding open and close. As you protract, feel them gliding apart, and then as you retract, draw them back together, like you are squeezing a pencil between your scapula. Your ribcage still remains still. This exercise awakes the muscles around your shoulder blades, preparing them for the work ahead. Continuing our warm-up, let's focus on elevation and depression of scapula. Picture your shoulder blades as a puppet on strings. Inhale as you elevate them toward your ears. Exhale as you depress them down back. Keep your neck long and chest open. This improves shoulder girdle mobility while maintaining torso stability. If you feel any neck tensions, reduce the range of the motion. We will transition to push-ups. Stand tall, feet are hip distance apart. We will begin with a standing roll forward. Slowly articulate through your spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, until your hands touch the floor. Walk your hands out to a plank position. Here's where the magic happens. Lower your body for slow counts for 3. Elbow close to your body. Inhale at the bottom, exhale to push back up. Walk your hands back, slowly roll up. Feel the engagement in your chest, shoulder, and triceps. Inhale to prepare, and then exhale as you slowly roll down, articulate through your spine. Walk your palms to a plank position. Now, let's try to lower the upper body for 3 counts. Those newer to this, Just modify by keeping your knees on the ground while lower your body. Remember, this is about control and precision, not speed. Let's take a break pause in child position. Let your breath deeper, preparing for our next challenge. Moving on to swimming. Roll onto your belly, arms extended forward, legs back. Inhale to prepare, then as you exhale, lift opposite arm and leg. One breath for 5 counts for the movement. Imagine you are gliding through the water, creating long, smooth lines with your body. Feel your back muscles engaging as you lengthen through your spine. Engage your glutes to protect your lower back. Keep your neck neutral, avoid crowning forward. If you feel any lower back discomfort, reduce the lift height of your limbs or just get into a child pose for a quick break. Another quick rest in child pose. Take this moment to reset and refocus. Our final exercise is the leg pull front. Begin in a plank position. Shoulders stack over waist. Engage your core as if you're zipping up a tight jean. Inhale to prepare. Then as you exhale, lift one leg and shift your weight slightly towards your toes. Hold for a moment and then shift your weight forward again and lower the leg back down. Let's repeat the same movement on the other leg. Keep alternating on legs. Feel free to take any quick break in the between. This is challenge your shoulder stability while working on your core and glutes. Keep your hips level. Resist the urge to pile up. Those trembling ants. That's transformation happening. If needed, drop to your knee between the leg lift to reset your form. Great work, everyone. As we cool down, take a moment to appreciate the strengths you have built in your upper body and shoulders. You are sculpting a stronger and more balanced version of yourself. I'm so proud of your dedication. And I can't wait to see you for our next section. Don't forget to hit like and leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel. I see you next time.